These are the Nothing Ear A's. They're bright, bold and suspiciously ambitious for the price. The promise is LDAC, high-res audio, real active noise cancellation, battery you can stop thinking about and seamless two-device connectivity. The question is, are they just loud on colour or loud on performance too? Nothing's lineup has two lanes. Ear is the premium one with extra frills, and Ear A is the value play that keeps the daily stuff you feel, like sound, silence, stamina and smart features, while trimming luxuries most people won't miss. If you want long life, solid ANC, LDAC on Android and multi-point, then this is the lane for you. The translucent stems still look unlike anything else, and the yellow isn't just a vibe, it's practical. You'll spot these in a bag instantly. The buds are light, the case is compact and the whole package feels tidy, not toyish. The earbuds themselves are IP54 rated, so sweat and light rain are fine. The case is IPX2 water resistant. Glossy plastic will scuff over time, which is true of nearly every case, so don't pocket it with keys if you care about keeping it pristine. The fit is a shallow to medium seal with 3 tip sizes. Make sure to take 60 seconds to try all of them, because the bass gets better and the ANC gets much better with the right seal. Controls use press gestures instead of taps, which means fewer accidental pauses when you adjust the bud. You can map what you want in the Nothing X app. Volume on long press, ANC cycle on triple press, assistant on hold, whatever floats your boat. There's an 11mm dynamic driver doing all the heavy lifting. The default tuning is clean and lively. Energetic bass, clear mids for vocals and a crisp treble that adds air without getting splashy. This pretty much means that you can get more texture in busy mixes, better instrument separation and reverb tails that don't get chopped off. If you prefer a flatter and more reference-like sound, you can use the app EQ to explore. The bass enhance feature is the rare bass boost you can actually leave on. It nudges sub-bass in real time when the tracks call for it, instead of turning the whole mix into mud. The ANC comes in high, mid and low plus adaptive. The high wipes out steady rumbles like trains, buses and office AC, so your music sits on a quieter canvas. Mid and low are for when you want less ear pressure and a bit more situational awareness. Adaptive is the set it and forget it option that adjusts as you move throughout different spaces. Voices and clinks will always be harder to cancel than engine hum, but the overall hush is strong for the money. And a quick reminder, seal equals success. The best ANC setting can't beat the wrong ear tip, so make sure you have the best one on for you. Call quality is confidently above average for this bracket. The microphone system plus Nothing's voice cleaner processing keeps your speech forward and steady. Indoors you sound clean and natural, outdoors it knocks down wind and traffic enough to stay understandable. Is the microphone professional quality? Well, no earphone's going to be. But is it good enough that you can take a meeting on the go? Absolutely. Dual connection means true multi-point. Keep your phone and laptop paired at the same time, and the audio jumps to whichever you're using without menu gymnastics. With the ANC off, you're looking at up to 9.5 hours in the buds and 42.5 hours total with the case. With ANC on, expect around 5.5 hours in the buds and 24.5 hours including the case. That's commute and work in gym without anxiety. Need a quick rescue? A 10-minute top-up gets you hours back, especially if the case is charged. If you've ever owned earbuds that constantly nag you for power, this will be a breath of fresh air. The Nothing X app is refreshingly simple. Toggle ANC strength or set adaptive, adjust EQ or just use bass enhance, remap gestures to fit your habits, check battery percentages for each bud and the case, run a tip fit test to make sure you're sealed, and if you lose a bud, you can use device finding tools to ping it or check its last seen location. So, should you stick with these budget Ear A's or maybe go for something a bit higher in price like the Ear 2 or Ear 3? Well, get the Ear 2 or 3 if you need wireless charging, a tougher case rating and extra codec support you'll know how to use, but stick with Ear A if you want better value and longer coated battery without sacrificing the headline features. Check the link below. There's 33% off starting November 20th, and go to the Amazon site to check out more offers. Comment down below what you guys would get. Would you get the budget ear A, or would you get something a bit more functional like the ear 2 or the ear 3? Or maybe you don't want to get any earphones at all and you want to buy the headphones one instead, because that's definitely what I'd want to get, because earphones just don't conform to my ear properly. Please do let me know. And also, if you haven't already, please make sure to like the video and subscribe. I've been Adam from Tech Utopia, and I hope to see you in the next video.